Hello, and welcome to the show. Psycho Yoda here with another LEGO Creations video for you. And today we're doing another sonic screwdriver from the new Doctor Who series. I say new because I am aware of the old Doctor Who series. This is the stuff that's come out that most of you are familiar with. From those in the UK area, you obviously are aware of it because it is more part of your culture than a part of pop culture. This one comes from the new series, from a fairly known character called the Master. And the proportions are a little bit off. I tried really hard to get it scaled down just a smidge more, but every time I tried something, it just didn't work correctly. So I went ahead and made it a little bit larger, and by a little bit I mean a little bit, probably like 10% larger, to get the shape correct and the pieces correct versus making it smaller and not representing it well enough. There's still a couple more sonic screwdrivers that make appearances in the new series, one of which really hasn't been shown yet. We'll see what the next Doctor's looks like, hopefully here in weeks to come. If you have any requests or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget that like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you next time.